Good morning. This morning we've been out in the snow. You've probably seen that footage already, and I'm excited because today is the day that my Cricut, I don't know how you say it, but the machine, anyway, is arriving today. So I want to tell you all about my creativeness. So yeah, quick explanation about my creative craziness, whatever that I was trying to say. So in the time that I have been away from YouTube, I back in December launched a range of Christmas cards designed by yours truly. It came as a result of a long journey that I've been on, is rediscovering who I am and trying to figure out a way to kind of best brand myself, if that makes any sense. And I think I've touched on it before in previous videos about this kind of feeling like, you get an idea, you start it, you stop it, you start it, and you stop it. And do you know what? I am on the process of kind of realizing that actually it's a continuous circle. It's not starting and stopping. I'm forever evolving, forever trying to understand myself and what I can bring to the world. So over the next few months, weeks, years, perhaps, I don't know, I'm just going to take you behind the scenes of my creative life. And I hope you stick around for the journey. But yeah, there's a lot of things I want to do before it arrives, so that when it arrives I can get straight into making stickers. So I kind of want to do that today. So before the Cricut came, it was weird kind of recording this voice note in the past, but yeah, anyway, before the Cricut came, I decided to draw a new character for my son. Actually, I had this whole idea about Smarty Pants, and I did like this whole pants Smarty kind of logo thing. And then my son, I actually did originally a koala bear, because I don't know why, but I really love koala bears. But I ended up doing this panda because my son particularly loves pandas, or likes pandas. Actually, no, that's not the truth. The real reason why we ended up with a panda is because we were just talking about animals, and he talked about panda and panda pants, and I was like, oh my gosh, Smarty Panda Pants. So we created Smarty Panda Pants, and I just thought it'd be a really cool sticker, especially now that we're homeschooling. I just thought it'd be really lovely to kind of, for parents to put on their kids' work. I mean, every kid loves a good sticker, right? So I figured, maybe this might appeal to some parents. Okie doke, I hope you enjoy my first time lapse here. It's 11 o'clock or half 11. I should be in bed, but I had to wait until the kids had fully slept. Now that we're in lockdown, my kids have messed up the routine. They used to be knocked out safely, I could say, by 8:30, and I could do even 8 o'clock, Seth. I could even try, but nowadays I can't. But let's get on with the unboxing. I'm so excited. I shouldn't be using this knife, right? Because I'm pretty sure, I hope this thing has got another box inside. I hope it's like a box inside a box. Oh, that's not gonna work. No, I'm gonna hurt myself. wondering how they were going to fit that. So these are my fabric cards. Got a pink one, this one's green, or blue. Blue one. Lovely. Fabric grip. This is fabric grip. It says, unleash this beauty. I've done that. It then says, get connected. Now we want to do that. And then we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun. Ooh. So I have unboxed the Cricut. I must admit, they know creators, they know creatives, they know that we are suckers for presentation because it is actually sexy. I would say Bridgerton levels, but you know Bridgerton is a different kind of level. And if you don't know, get to know. Make sure you're over the age of 18, please. Okay, I don't want no crazy underage hanky-panky. I'm really desperate to test out these stickers, and I promised the kids I would test them out with them. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make loads of mistakes. My official printer hasn't arrived. That should arrive on Wednesday. So for now, I'm just going to use it on my bog standard inkjet printer that is probably screaming because it has been producing so much home learning. It's ridiculous. But I'm just going to test it on that. Guys, ignore the hair. I look like a mad person, but I just cut my first thing out. Fair enough, it's just the tutorial thing just to make sure everything's working, but this is like magic in my eyes. I think this is going to be addictive, like legit. Okay, so let's see. Oh my days, look at that. Okay, so that's the mouth shape, and then you have to peel this off. Oh wow. Okay, and then you've got this. So this is mouth. Look at that. This paper is quite nice actually as well. I told you my printer was on its last legs. It does this thing where it just decides, I don't like paper. Like, I don't want to end the night like this. Please, just print. Yeah, here's my first test run now. The quality is rubbish, as I described. It's really not very clear on a lot of stuff. But this is just a test. I promised the kids I need to change the design. Maybe on the new one it might be more vibrant. I think I might introduce some yellow into this character. I actually really like him. Pandy the panda, Smarty Pants panda. So yeah, really happy with it. So after internally saying a lot of expletives and waking up the husband, managed to get it printed, and now I'm gonna get it cut. Ready?
Yes, I want my panda. Panda Manda.
No shout.
Oh my god. That's so amazing. I'm just gonna go fly off to teach people how to be smarty pants. Hey, you pig.
So I just gave the kids their sticker sets, and they were so not sticker sets, they're stickers, the tester ones that I said started yesterday, and they're so excited. And then obviously being my children, very creative, so they've turned them into puppets. It's hilarious. So they decided to treat me to a puppet show, so we're gonna watch it whilst look from me doing my work.
And today we will be filming. We'll be filming Mr. Panda Pants, Llama, and Mrs. Learning Llama, and dun dun dun, the evil football. And one day we were just playing with our football, and the evil football tried to hurt me. Angel fall! And the angel comes in and tries to throw away the soccer ball. And they live happily ever on the end.
Hiya! Now, thanks for watching that video. I really enjoyed kind of getting it all together. And it's been almost a week now. Watching back that footage, I've made so many discoveries. So I've had the Cricut in my life for a week, and my printers arrived, so there's lots to update you on. If you're a new creative out there and you've never met me before, please throw a comment down below. If you're oldie and you've been around since day dot, since when I used to do all sorts of other stuff to do with mompreneur life, I did quite a few about that back then, or if you were there with the fertility stuff, just let me know where you're from. I'd love to know. Comment below, are you happy with this content? I hope you are, because this is the kind of direction I'm going in, and I'm so excited to share that with you, and I will see you next week. Bye.